crisis in the Labour Party is receiving attention and will be addressed soonest. The Labour Party presidential candidate in the 2023 election, Peterobi, said this while answering questions from journalists during a briefing in Abuja. After the 2023 elections, different crises rocked the Labour Party, and the recent is the face-off between the party leadership and the Nigeria Labour Congress NLC over the Anambra Convention. At this briefing, Peterobi assured journalists of an end to the troubles, saying that the crisis in the Labour Party is nothing compared to the ruling All Progressives Congress APC and the People's Democratic Party PDP.
Let me tell you, as you imagine the abnormality in Labour Party, it is not anything to be compared with what is happening in the other two parties. It is far minor, and it's something that will be dealt with. We're dealing with a system. Every system has its up and down, and it will be managed and everything. And I assure you, this will also be dealt with. There's nothing out of control in this exercise. Things go wrong and it's corrected. And I assure you, we'll deal with it. But again, I don't want to focus, but let's focus on the poor people of Nigeria.
On the alleged financial mismanagement in the Labour Party, Obi said external auditors have been engaged and the outcome will be made public when investigation is concluded.
We're doing that. We're doing that. We're not going to be reporting to you daily on the auditor's report. It is when the auditors ring on, and if you want a daily report on the auditors, we will direct it to the auditors. They don't report to me daily. It is only when they finish. It could take them months, it could take them years. Even in their financial system, it takes years to audit an account.
So it is ongoing? Oh, sure.
All I know is that we have engaged somebody. So that's it. And that's what we need to do. We can only come back to you to talk about it when it's finished. On the other issue, like I said, we are being consumed in the process of today and yesterday. If there's no crisis in the Labour Party, does it in any way solve my challenge that I'm appealing today? It will not provide water. Will it deal with the imaginary school system? No. I came to appeal for a different thing.
Peterobi called for more attention to education and water, in addition to the ongoing efforts to address the current economic situation in Nigeria, which he said have become very critical to national development and pull many Nigerians out of poverty.
There's also need for interventions of well-being Nigerians, especially as it concerns the area of health, education, and pulling people out of poverty. And the two areas of need that I want to do what I call today an appeal challenge is in area of water and education. And my appeal is to a number of Nigerians. 1% of the population of this country, which is about 202 million, I believe control about 70% of the national wealth. But my appeal is to 0.1%, 200,000. So it's even below the 1%. In water, I found the continuous need for potable water across the country, which to provide pipe-borne water will take several years, which I urge the government to do whatever it takes to start in that direction.
The former Anambra State governor proposed at least one borehole annually to meet demand of potable water across Nigeria.
I'm talking about solving the problem of Nigeria, to deal with issues that affect the ordinary Nigerian. In terms of borehole, I said it's a temporary, short-term measure before you have water. And so we must find a short-term solution to be able to get people to have potable water.